In this video, I want to show you how to change the master code on your Kwikset 907 Keypad lock. Okay, so a master code for this lock is a 4 to 10 digit code that you can use to program your lock. So you want to change this code for security reasons. Okay, so to change your master code, the first step is to enter the code. Okay, so mine here is still the default master code, which is 0000. Okay, now hit the lock button. And now you want to press 7 and hit the lock button. Now enter your new master code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 335577. Hit this button. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes, meaning your new master code is now active, and that's what you're going to use for other programming. Okay, so that's how to change the master code on this lock. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.